breast cancer breakthrough, how it could help revolutionize the fight against the potentially deadly disease. Hello and thank you for joining us. I'm David Ono.
And I'm Ellen Leva. This is Eyewitness News at 4 o'clock. There is good news in the world of breast cancer treatments. Doctors who rarely say the words new hope and promising are saying just that to describe an experimental medication that's bringing about real results.
Health specialist Denise Sador is here now with more on this medical breakthrough. Denise.
Well, David and Ellen, the battle against breast cancer can be debilitating, frustrating, and sometimes deadly. But new, smarter dream drugs could soon be added to the arsenal. It's called immunotherapy. This is the cancer cell, and these are the targeted drugs. What it does, the treatment tricks the cancer into killing itself. Just 1 week after graduating from college, 28-year-old Bridget Spencer was diagnosed with stage 4 breast cancer.
I had 7 surgeries, 32 rounds of radiation, and I had been on 14 different drugs.
But the cancer grew through the chemo, spreading to her liver, lung, and bones. Desperate, she turned to a clinical trial. Instead of standard chemotherapy and Herceptin, she got a more powerful cocktail called TDM1.
Think of this like a heat-seeking missile with a nuclear warhead. So it travels around the body, does no damage till it meets the cancer, and then it deploys a massively toxic dose that wipes out the cancer, does not do damage to the rest of the body.
A preliminary study shows breast cancer patients who took this drug cocktail saw their risk of dying reduced by more than a third, compared to those taking conventional drugs.
Women who took this drug had a 38% reduced risk of dying compared to those women who were taking conventional chemotherapy.
It's being called a game changer, a dream drug that's already saving lives. In just 3 months, Bridget's tumors started shrinking, and something even more remarkable.
This drug has bought me more time to be 28 years old.
Bridget is still trying to get her cancer under control, but she is hopeful that this kind of targeted therapy will one day mean a cure.
Every day I get up and go to work and dream about celebrating my 30th birthday and one day living in a world that we're free of breast cancer.
Now, the side effects of this new drug include muscle and joint pain, fatigue, and a risk of bleeding. A typical course of therapy costs about $100,000. Now, this treatment will not be available until next year, but experts say talk to your oncologist about whether you're eligible